Hi friends, I brought in a video for you. This video is going to be on Wilgesic. Wilgesic has for 35 milligrams of Orphenadrine Citrate and 450 milligrams of paracetamol in it. It's made by Wilson Pharmaceuticals. The price for one box is 373 rupees. The box has 100 tablets in it. Orphenadrine is used with rest, physical therapy and other measures to relieve pain and discomfort caused by strains, sprains and other muscle injuries. Orphenadrine is in a class of medications called skeletal muscle relaxants. It works by changing the way the body senses muscle pain. Orphenadrine comes as a tablet and an extended release tablet to be taken by mouth. It's usually taken twice a day. Try to take Orphenadrine at around the same time every day. Follow the directions on your prescription label carefully and ask your doctor or pharmacist to explain any part you do not understand. Take Orphenadrine exactly as directed. Do not take more or less of it, or take it more often than prescribed by your doctor. Take the missed dose as soon as you remember it. However, if it is almost time for the next dose, skip the missed dose and continue your regular dosing schedule. Do not take a double dose to make up for a missed one. Orphenadrine may cause side effects such as dry mouth, drowsiness, upset stomach, vomiting, constipation, difficulty urinating, blurred vision, headache, etc. Some serious side effects can occur like fast or irregular heartbeat, fainting, confusion, hallucination and skin rash. If you experience a serious side effect, you should report to your doctor immediately. I hope you like the video. Please like and share our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.